Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Thunkable screen scrollable, a crucial feature for apps with abundant content. This allows users to effortlessly navigate through information that extends beyond the initial view. By enabling scrolling, you ensure a smooth and intuitive experience, preventing any content from being cut off or inaccessible. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your app's layout effectively. To begin, open your Thunkable project and navigate to the Design tab. First, select the specific screen you wish to make scrollable from the component tree on the left. Next, look to the Properties panel, typically found on the right side of your screen. Here, you will find a property labeled Scrollable. Simply toggle this switch to the true position to activate vertical scrolling for your entire screen. For more granular control, you can create scrollable sections within a single screen. Start by dragging a column component onto your screen from the Components palette. Then, place all the elements you want to be scrollable, such as images or text, directly inside this new column. Finally, select the column component itself and find its scrollable property in the Properties panel, setting it to True to enable scrolling within that specific section. After implementing scrolling, it is vital to test your app thoroughly. Use the Thunkable Live app on a physical device to experience the scrolling firsthand. Verify that all content is easily reachable and that the scrolling motion is fluid and responsive. For optimal performance across various screen sizes, consider using relative sizing for components within your scrollable sections, ensuring a consistent user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.